Welcome back, Spanish students, to Lesson 8. Bienvenidos. In Lesson 8, we're going to master the verbs and the verbs in the present tense. Alright, so before we start, I would like to resume the previous lesson where we learned the animals. So, repeat after me. El perro, el gato, el pájaro, el pez, el conejo, el ratón, el caballo, la vaca, el cerdo, la oveja, la cabra, la gallina, el pato, la abeja, la mariposa. So I want you to repeat these ones after me. Also, let's go. La tortuga, la serpiente, la rana, el león, el tigre, el elefante, el mono, el oso, la jirafa, la cebra, el cocodrilo, el lobo, el zorro, el tiburón, el delfín. So, guys, today we're gonna do an exercise to master the verbs in Spanish. It's the most important part of grammar. Today I'm gonna be talking about infinitivo y gerundio. Guys, you need to know what infinitivo is and what gerundio is if you want to speak Spanish properly. Infinitivo is just the basic form of the verb. When the verb is ending in ar or ir, like hablar to speak, comer to eat, vivir to live. And gerundio is when the verb is in the progressive form. It's like the English ing. For instance, hablar becomes hablando, speaking. Comer ends in er, so ending verbs become yendo. So comer becomes comiendo, eating. And vivir also is an er ending verb, so it works like yendo. So vivir, viviendo, living. This is the progressive tense. The English ing is very simple. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're going to transform these verbs in gerundio, in the progressive tense. Let's go. So, ladrar, ladrando. Okay, guys, repeat after me. Ladrar is to bark. Ladrando is barking. It's progressive because it's like the English ing. Easy. The next one is hacer ejercicio. Hacer ejercicio is to exercise or work out in the gym, like, oh, voy a hacer ejercicio al gimnasio, ¿no? I'm gonna work out in the gym. In progressive, en gerundio, haciendo ejercicio. Haciendo ejercicio. Exercising. Saltar, to jump. Saltando. Ando. Do you see how the are ending verbs in the progressive way, gerundio, become ando, because it's an are ending verb, so it's ando. But hacer becomes yendo because it's an er ending verb. Okay? Let me go back to make sure you understand. So, are ending verbs like hablar, ladrar, become ando, hablando, ladrando. And er and ir ending verbs like hacer becomes haciendo, o comer, comiendo, o vivir, viviendo. Do you understand now? Yes. Let's keep moving forward. We're making lots of progress. If you understood this, now I'm very happy. I'm very proud of you because this means that you are getting a really good Spanish grammar basics to speak Spanish properly. Okay. The next verb is arañar. Arañar. That's what the cats do, no? Arañar. In gerundio would be arañando. Arañando. Okay? Bailar. Bailar. En gerundio, bailando. Okay? Montar en bicicleta. O montar a caballo, to ride a bike or to ride a horse, montar a caballo o montar en bicicleta. Riding a bike en gerundio would be montando en bicicleta. Montando en bicicleta. Jugar, to play, en gerundio. Jugando, exacto, muy bien. Jugando. Sudar, cuando hace mucho calor, it's too hot and you start sweating, so you say estoy sudando. Estoy sudando. I am sweating. Estoy sudando. Now some useful verbs like me gusta, I like, or me encanta, I love. Now guys, I want you to know how to use the verb me gusta or me encanta because they are conjugated in a different way. So if you want to say that I like to speak, you just need to say me gusta hablar. Don't say me gusta hablando or me gusta hablo. No, that would be a mistake. So me gusta hablar. So I want you to just think in your head in the next 20 seconds and form some sentences. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my own ideas. So me gusta hablar. No me gusta saltar. No me gusta saltar. Y me encanta ir al gimnasio. I love to go to the gym. Me encanta ir al gimnasio. Guys, if you want to, let me know in the comments your answers and I will correct you. I'm very happy to see your comments. Okay, next one. Conjugación. ¿Qué es una conjugación? Conjugation in English, no? Conjugation. Conjugación in Spanish. A conjugation is simply when you change the verb ending from the basic form, infinitivo, RRIR. So you change those RRIR from the basic form, like hablar, comer, vivir. You change it depending on who is making the action. And who is making the action is called the subject. The subject pronouns. I, you, he, we, you, they. Yo, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros y ellos. Guys, repeat after me. Yo, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros y ellos. These are the subject pronouns and you need to master them. And it always goes in the same order when we are conjugating a verb. So, yo hablo, tú hablas, él habla. Let me show you. These are the subject pronouns and you need to learn them in this order. So, yo means I, tú means you in the casual way. Él, ella means he and she. And here we introduce usted, which is the polite you. So the verb ending for the polite you is different from the verb ending of the casual you. Okay? Tú versus usted. In most Latin American countries, they use usted. In Spanish, we use tú for casual and usted for polite. Nosotros and nosotras means we. Vosotros and vosotras means you all when you are speaking to a bunch of people. Ellos and ellas is they. And ustedes is the polite way of vosotros, the polite way of you all. So vosotros is the casual way and ustedes is the polite way. Guys, these are the rules for the R ending verbs. And I'm going to ask you to conjugate this verb, ladrar. So how would you say, I bark, you bark, he, she, you bark, barks, we bark, you all guys bark, and they bark. So you would say yo, you just need to take away the verb ending, ar, and change it for o. So yo ladro, tú ladras, él ladra, nosotros ladramos, vosotros ladráis, y ellos ladran. I'm going to repeat it again because I need you to repeat after me to get the rhythm and get used to the pronunciation. You need to repeat after me, mimic me. Let's go. So, yo ladro, Tú ladras, él ladra, nosotros ladramos, vosotros ladráis, ladráis, y ellos ladran. Okay, now let's conjugate an and ir ending verb. So guys, this is the present tense, right? We are learning the present tense. So conjugating a verb means that you are going to change the verb ending and you're gonna give it a tense. It could be present, past, future. In this case, it's the present tense. And you're gonna give it a subject so that we know just by the verb ending who is making the action. So that's why in the Spanish language, sometimes we can omit, we don't need to say the subject, yo, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros, y ellos. But now that we're learning, we need to say it because we need to learn how to associate the verb ending to the correct subject. So I'm going to ask you to always write and to always say the subject pronouns, yo, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros, y ellos. Now let's do an or ir ending verb. So comer and vivir. So let's do verbs comer. So repeat after me. Comer, yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, because it's an er ending verb, vosotros coméis, y ellos comen. Now let's do vivir, which is an ir ending verb, so it's going to be different. It's going to be yo vivo, tú vives, él vive, and now it's different. It's nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, y ellos viven. Is it clear? So these are the rules for the are ending verbs. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Repeat after me. Are ending verbs has these rules. Repeat after me. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. And er and ir ending verbs have these rules. Repeat after me. For the er ending verbs is o, es, e, hemos, eis, en. And for the ir ending verbs is o, es, e, imos, is, en. Clear now, right? Let's keep moving forward, and guys, let's revise all the verbs that we learned today. So repeat after me one more time. Ladrar, ladrando. Hacer ejercicio, haciendo ejercicio. Saltar, saltando. Arañar, arañando. Bailar, bailando. Montar en bicicleta, montando en bicicleta. Jugar, jugando. Sudar, sudando. Me gusta y me encanta. Okay, guys. Enhorabuena. Congratulations. Well done for today. We've learned a very essential part of the grammar, which are the verbs, the verb conjugations. We've also learned the infinitive, the verbs in the simple form, ar, ir, like hablar, comer, vivir. That's infinitivo. We've learned gerundio, the progressive way, the English ing with verbs ending in ando or yendo, hablando, comiendo, viviendo. And then, finally, we've learned the subject pronouns, yo, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros, y ellos, and how to change the verb endings from the infinitive into the present tense, like for instance, ladrar. Yo ladro, tú ladras, él ladra, nosotros ladramos, vosotros ladráis, ellos ladran. I think this is a very important lesson, and in the next lesson, we're going to learn the most important verbs and how to use them. And we're gonna do more practice. So, are you ready to transform your Spanish? Also, hit the link in my bio and join my group classes to speak confidently and communicate effectively in Spanish. Let's go. Boom!